So it's really important for me to do things with my kids, and I needed to make the swing set for them because I couldn't find anything in the area that really met the designs that I was looking for. So I went online and I found the woodworkingbible.com, and it really taught me everything I needed to know. Just make sure I had all the reinforcements here to be able to do all the designs I want to do, get all the right angles. I've never built anything out of wood before, and I think my kids' play set turned out pretty well. If you want to be able to do something just as nice, go to the woodworkingbible.com.